Hey Yugi YouTubers, G-Baby here, opening a box of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Just came out today, so let's get right into it. Hope we can pull one of the big 2 cards in it. If not, it's still a really good set. Start with this side first. First pack. It's giving me trouble. That must mean it's something good. Got one of the babies. Mind Drain. Go 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 Gigas. Brotherhood of the Firefist Buffalo. Got a Battling Boxer Last Shot. That's a really cool, pretty cool budget deck. Big Whale. Super Duck Fighter as our first holo. Got another one of the babies. Xyz's Revenge. Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. Got a Brotherhood Rhino, and we got the cover card number 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon Ultimate Rare. Altitude Night. Haven't seen any of the big dragons yet. Another Glass Jaw. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Got a Constellar Sombre. Do a barrel roll, and do a barrel roll. Some funny cards in it. Got a Burner, Fairy Chair Girl, and there we go.
Oh.
Got that Spellbook of Judgment.
Oh. So that right now?
I'm satisfied now. That's at 120 at the moment, yeah. I don't even care about
Doesn't
the rest
even
of these,
matter.
man. Unless there's a Dracosac in there too, man. 2 secrets in the box. Another Burner. Tetherwolf. Constellar Omega.
This is an amazing box.
It is.
Omega's still at 20?
I think it's at 15. Go 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 Gigas. Alright, halfway through. Another Reactin, Baby Dragon. Altitude Night. Do a barrel roll. Alright, yeah, that's pretty good. Another lead yoke. I might just make that deck, dude. It's pretty cool.
It's a fun deck.
It is. Xyz's Revenge.
It's not a bad card.
No, it is not. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal. Ghost Fairy Elphobia. Sounds kinky. Another Mind Drain. Big Whale. Got another burner. Still haven't seen any of the big dragons. Right when I say that, pull Blaster. Lightning. Got C the Xyz's Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. Alright, we got 4 more packs.